Heart is a conical hollow muscular organ situated in the middle mediastinum. It is enclosed within the pericardium. This is the middle mediastinum where the heart is situated. To get the more information about the mediastinum and pericardium, go to my channel's playlist of thorax. The heart is placed oblique behind the body of the sternum and adjoining parts of the costal cartilages, so that 1/3 of it lies to the right and 2/3 of it lies to the left of the median plane. This is the body of the sternum, जिसके पीछे हार्ट प्रेजेंट होता है. 1/3 ऑफ द हार्ट जो है वो राइट साइड के मीडियन प्लेन में लाई करेगा एंड 2/3 ऑफ द हार्ट जो है वो लेफ्ट साइड के मीडियन प्लेन में लाई करेगा. द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द ब्लड फ्लो from atria to the ventricles is downward, forward and to the left. एट्रिया से वेंट्रिकल तक का जो ब्लड फ्लो का डायरेक्शन है वो डाउनवर्ड यानी कि नीचे की तरफ, फॉरवर्ड यानी कि आगे की तरफ एंड टू द लेफ्ट होगा. एक्सटर्नल फीचर्स. द ह्यूमन हार्ट हैज़ 4 चैम्बर्स. ह्यूमन का जो हार्ट है उसमें 4 चैम्बर्स रहेंगे. दिस आर द राइट एंड लेफ्ट एट्रिया and the right and left ventricles. In this diagram, you can see the 4 chambers of the heart, the right and left atria and the right and left ventricle. An apex is directed downward, forward and to the left. The direction of the blood flow and the direction of the apex both are the same. This is the apex of the heart and it is directed downward, forward and to the left. A base is directed backwards. This is the base of the heart. 3 surfaces, anterior or sternocostal, inferior and left lateral. This is the anterior or the sternocostal surface of the heart. This is the inferior surface of the heart. This is the left lateral surface of the heart. Borders. The surfaces are demarcated by the upper, inferior, right and left borders. This is the upper border of the heart. This is the inferior border of the heart. These are the right and left borders of the heart. Grooves or sulci. The atria are separated from the ventricles by circular atrioventricular or coronary sulcus, which is divided into anterior and posterior parts. These are the grooves of the heart. This is the anterior view and this is the posterior view. The coronary sulcus is overlapped anteriorly by the ascending aorta and the pulmonary trunk. This is the coronary sulcus. The anterior interventricular groove is near to the left margin of the heart. This is the interventricular sulcus. The posterior interventricular groove is situated on the diaphragmatic or inferior surface of the heart. Apex of the heart. Apex of the heart is formed entirely by the left ventricle. It is directed downward, forward and to the left and is overlapped by the anterior border of the left lung. Clinical anatomy. Dextrocardia. Normally the apex of the heart is left side, but if it is on the right side, it is called as dextrocardia. Situs inversus. In this, all the thoracic and the abdominal viscera are a mirror image of the normal. In this type of condition, dextrocardia may be a part of situs inversus. In this picture, you can see all the visceral organs such as lungs, heart, stomach, liver, spleen are the mirror image of the normal. Base of the heart. The base of the heart is also called as the posterior surface. It is mainly formed by the left atrium and by a small part of the right atrium. In relation to the base, one can see the opening of the 4 pulmonary veins, which opens into the left atrium, and of the superior and inferior vena cava, which opens into the right atrium. Borders of the heart. The upper border is slightly oblique and it is formed by 2 atria, chiefly the left atrium. The right border is formed by the right atrium. It extends from the superior vena cava to the inferior vena cava. The inferior border is nearly horizontal and it is mainly formed by the right ventricle. The left border is oblique and curved. It is formed mainly by the left ventricle and partly by the left auricle. Surfaces of the heart. The anterior or the sternocostal surface is formed mainly by the right atrium and the right ventricle, and partly by the left ventricle and left auricle. Most of the sternocostal surface is covered by the lungs, but a part of it that lies behind the cardiac notch of the left lung is uncovered. The uncovered area is dull on percussion. Clinically, it is referred to as the area of the superficial cardiac dullness. The inferior or the diaphragmatic surface rests on the central tendon of the diaphragm. It is formed in its left 2/3 by the left ventricle and in its right 1/3 by the right ventricle. The left surface is formed by the left ventricle and at the upper end by the left auricle. Crux of the heart. Crux of the heart is the meeting point of the interatrial, atrioventricular and the posterior interventricular groove. This is the crux of the heart. Types of the circulation. There are two types of the circulation: systematic circulation and the pulmonary circulation. In systematic circulation, the blood flow is from the left ventricle to the aortic valve to the aorta, oxygenated blood to all the tissue except the lungs, to the venous blood collected to the superior and inferior vena cava, and at the end in the right atrium. In the pulmonary circulation, the blood flow is from the right ventricle to the pulmonary valve, from pulmonary valve to the pulmonary trunk and the pulmonary arteries, from pulmonary artery to the lungs. In that, deoxygenated blood gets converted into oxygenated 4 pulmonary veins and at the end in the left atrium.